Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dewalt bit sets are probably one of the most essential additions to any DIYer or professional's toolkit, especially when tackling demanding tasks with an impact driver, as these sets are engineered to withstand the high torque and repetitive stress that can quickly wear down lesser bits, ensuring longevity and consistent performance project after project, making them a reliable partner for all your fastening needs. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This powerful set is designed for efficiency and ease of use on any job. Its ergonomically designed, compact, and lightweight build allows you to work comfortably in tight areas and reach those tough spots with ease. Experience high-performance power with its brushless motor, delivering impressive UWO for the drill and torque for the impact driver to handle a wide range of applications. Never struggle in dimly lit areas again. Integrated LED work lights with a 20-second delay ensure enhanced visibility, keeping your workspace illuminated. Streamline your workflow with one-handed loading and a single-sleeve ratcheting chuck. This design allows for faster, more secure bit changes, keeping one hand free. This combo kit is built to last, offering robust performance and reliability for all your projects. It also comes with a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile starter kit for general DIY and home repairs, this combo kit is a solid choice. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle in various situations, and the brushless motor provides good power for most tasks. The integrated LED lights are a nice touch for working in dimly lit areas. What people say. The bits are very durable and hold up well to heavy use. The variety of sizes included in the set is excellent, covering most common applications. The impact driver bits are designed for high torque applications and perform as expected. Number 4. Toolant 34-piece magnetic nut driver set. Are you tired of dropping screws, especially when working overhead? Our reinforced magnetic tips are engineered to securely hold even heavy fasteners, making one-handed operations a breeze. They function as a reliable magnetic bit set for various tasks. Why lug around a heavy toolbox? This versatile kit combines the functionality of nut drivers and a full impact socket set. It includes adapters to turn your impact driver into a high-torque wrench, focusing on the most commonly used sizes for automotive repair. Stop wasting time searching for scattered bits. Our heavy-duty case keeps every piece labeled and securely in place. It's designed for mechanics on the move, ensuring nothing gets lost during transport. This set includes a specialized driver for effortlessly installing wing nuts and other fasteners, saving your fingers from strain. From deep nut drivers for long bolts to standard hex bits, it tackles specific challenges in metal roofing and machinery maintenance. Constructed from impact-ready alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, these tools are built to withstand high torque. They offer a professional-grade alternative to disposable tools and are backed by our quality guarantee. What we like. For those who frequently work overhead or need to secure fasteners with one hand, this set offers superior magnetic retention. It's a fantastic solution if you need a compact way to handle various socket sizes with your impact driver, and the organized case ensures you won't lose any pieces, making it ideal for mobile mechanics or HVAC professionals. What people say. The reinforced magnetic tips are a standout feature. They are powerful enough to hold long bolts securely at any angle. Unlike cheaper sets, the magnetism doesn't seem to decay after heavy vibration or high torque use. The set offers great versatility in length. It includes standard drivers for tight spaces, deep nut drivers, up to 3/4, for long threaded rods, and a 6-inch bit extension that is essential for reaching recessed areas in engine bays or appliances. These are made of high-quality tool steel that has undergone high-temperature quenching. They feature a thicker wall design than many big-box brands, allowing them to handle the rapid-fire torque of an impact driver without warping or shattering. Number 3. Toolant 2-inch Phillips Magnetic Anti-Slip Screwdriver Bit Set. Tired of bits slipping out of screws? Our innovative anti-slip design provides a larger contact area, increasing fit precision by 30% and virtually eliminating cam-out. These bits are engineered to withstand high torque from impact drivers. They lock onto screws securely, minimizing damage to both the bit and the screw for a longer lifespan. The powerful magnetism remains strong even after repeated use. Combined with CNC machine tips and a hardened S2 alloy steel core, these bits offer superior strength and durability. Crafted from high-quality S2 alloy steel with special heat treatment, they boast exceptional wear resistance and impact strength. The manganese phosphate surface also protects against rust. The PH number 2 size is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's ideal for wood screws from number 5 to number 9, and metric machine screws sizes M3.5, M4, M5, as well as SAE machine screws sizes number 5 to number 10. What we like. If cam out is your biggest frustration with Phillips head screws, you should consider this set. The anti-slip tips provide exceptional grip, significantly reducing the risk of stripping screws, even with high-torque impact drivers. Its long-lasting S2 alloy steel construction means you get a durable bit that can handle a lot of use, perfect for repetitive tasks. What people say. Phillips bits are strong and last a long time. By being placed in a drill chuck they avoid the problem of falling out which bits held by a magnetic adapter suffer from. I must say I am impressed so far. I will say I've put them to the test and so far, no stripping or breaking at this point. They are strong and I like the size. It locks in my Dewalt snug without any wiggling and the magnet holds the screws in place. Number 2. Dewalt 100 PC Impact Driver Bit Set, DWA2FTS 100. Introducing the Dewalt 100-piece Impact Driver Bit Set. This comprehensive set is designed for durability and convenience, making your projects easier. It features a connectable accessory storage system, perfect for optimizing your space. Keep all your drill bits organized and accessible. The patented bit bar design allows for effortless removal and customizable placement of each bit. Finding the right tool has never been simpler. With a clear lid, you can easily see the contents inside without opening the case. The secure clip latch ensures it stays closed. This set includes a wide variety of bits, such as Torx, PH, SQ, and SL, along with 14 drill bits. It's ready for any task. Its small bulk storage size fits perfectly inside the Tough Case Plus system. This offers ideal organization for loose bits and enhances your workflow. What we like. If you need a comprehensive collection of bits for a wide variety of jobs and appreciate organized storage, this 100-piece set is a great option. The connectable Tough Case system allows for easy organization and expansion, and the flex torque bits are built to withstand the demands of impact drivers, making it suitable for professionals and serious DIYers alike. What people say. Whether you're tackling a quick DIY project or heavy-duty construction, these bits deliver. They're tough, durable, and built to withstand serious wear, making them a go-to for any toolbox. All 4 cases link together when you close the clasp to lock the container shut. This way you can keep them all together, taking up less room as a result. They hold up just as well as any other bits. Definitely better than some Hobo Freight and Wally World bits. Number 1. Dewalt 100-piece Impact Screwdriver Bit and Drill Set. Introducing the Dewalt 100-piece combination set, designed for all your drilling and driving needs. It includes the most commonly used accessories for maximum convenience. Our Tough Case container features a bit retention system that keeps all your bits securely in place. No more lost or scattered accessories. Experience increased bit tip strength with its full hex design. This set is built to last, with heat treatment that maximizes torque for tough jobs. The magnetic drive guide significantly reduces wobble, providing you with more control and precision. Achieve cleaner, more accurate results every time. This comprehensive 100-piece set offers a complete solution for most of your project requirements. It's the ultimate addition to your toolkit. Stay organized with 4 included storage cases. This allows for easy separation and access to your essential bits and accessories. What we like. For a broad range of drilling and driving needs in one package, this 100-piece combination set is hard to beat. The full hex design enhances bit tip strength for durability, and the included magnetic drive guide helps reduce wobble for more precise driving. If you're looking for a complete set with essential accessories for most common tasks, this is a strong contender. What people say. Love how the boxes lock together. Makes it a lot easier. This is a great assortment for both my impact and drill. They are very well made and a great value. Has nearly any common tool you will ever need. They stack real nicely together and is very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.